History of smartphones. The history of smartphones began in 1994 with the IBM Simon, the first device to combine phone functionality with computing features like email and a touchscreen. In the early 2000s, brands like BlackBerry and Nokia advanced the concept by integrating secure email, productivity tools, and QWERTY keyboards, catering primarily to business professionals. The industry transformed in 2007 with the launch of the Apple iPhone, which introduced a touch-based interface, app stores, and a focus on user-friendly design, revolutionizing mobile technology. Google's Android soon followed, offering an open-source platform that enabled diverse manufacturers to produce smartphones for various markets. Today, smartphones are essential tools, evolving with features like 5G, AI, and advanced security, reflecting decades of innovation. Why people use smartphone? People use smartphones because they serve as versatile tools for communication, entertainment, and productivity. They allow instant access to calls, texts, emails, and social media, keeping users connected with others globally. Smartphones also provide entertainment through apps for streaming, gaming, and music, while cameras enable capturing and sharing moments instantly. For productivity, they offer tools like calendars, notes, and mobile versions of Office software, helping users stay organized. Additionally, features like GPS for navigation, online shopping, and access to information make them indispensable in daily life, blending convenience, connectivity, and functionality in one device. Introduction to iPhone 16. The iPhone 16 represents Apple's latest leap in smartphone innovation, building on the brand's legacy of blending cutting-edge technology with elegant design. This model introduces a refined aesthetic with a slimmer body, advanced materials, and a new range of vibrant colors. Apple has also improved durability by incorporating enhanced ceramic shielding and water resistance, ensuring the device is as robust as it is stylish. These design elements are paired with an intuitive interface powered by iOS, offering a seamless user experience. At the heart of the iPhone 16 is the powerful A18 Bionic chip, which delivers unmatched performance in energy efficiency. This advanced processor enables faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and immersive gaming experiences. Additionally, the phone boasts an upgraded camera system with AI-enhanced features for professional-grade photography and video recording. Innovations such as improved night mode, advanced optical zoom, and real-time editing tools make the iPhone 16 a favorite for creative professionals and enthusiasts alike. The iPhone 16 also focuses on sustainability and connectivity. It features a 100% recycled aluminum chassis and uses energy-efficient components, aligning with Apple's commitment to environmental responsibility. Connectivity options have been expanded with support for the latest 5G standards and ultra-wideband technology, ensuring blazing fast speeds and seamless device integration. With its blend of performance, design, and sustainability, the iPhone 16 sets a new standard in the smartphone industry, redefining what a modern device can achieve. Different iPhone 16 to other competitor one, Samsung. The iPhone 16 stands out from Samsung's flagship Galaxy series due to its exclusive iOS ecosystem, which offers seamless integration with other Apple products like MacBooks, iPads, and Apple Watches. While Samsung devices often boast larger displays with foldable options and S Pen support, the iPhone 16 focuses on a refined user experience, premium build quality, and unmatched software optimization through iOS. Additionally, the iPhone 16's A18 Bionic chip typically outperforms Samsung's Exynos or Snapdragon processors in raw performance and energy efficiency. 2. Xiaomi. Xiaomi smartphones, particularly in the flagship segment, emphasize affordability and high hardware specifications. In contrast, the iPhone 16 delivers a holistic experience with superior build quality, long-term software updates, and advanced features like iCloud integration. While Xiaomi may offer larger battery capacities and higher megapixel counts in cameras, the iPhone 16 excels in real-world performance, AI-enhanced photography, and privacy features that align with Apple's stringent data protection standards. 3. Oppo. Oppo's smartphones, including their Find series, often highlight rapid charging technologies and innovative designs. The iPhone 16 differentiates itself with a focus on energy efficiency, offering a balanced battery life without compromising device longevity. Furthermore, Apple's software and hardware synergy allow the iPhone 16 to deliver smoother performance and better app compatibility compared to Oppo's ColorOS running on Android. The iPhone 16's premium ecosystem also offers unique advantages like AirDrop and iMessage, which Oppo cannot replicate. 4. Vivo. Vivo often targets photography enthusiasts with advanced camera features and high-resolution sensors. While the iPhone 16 competes strongly in camera quality, it emphasizes computational photography and software optimization over sheer megapixels. Apple's emphasis on durability, data security, and cohesive user experience makes the iPhone 16 appealing to users who prioritize reliability over experimental features often found in Vivo's offerings. 5. Google. Google's Pixel phones, like the Pixel 8 series, are known for their pure Android experience and exceptional computational photography. The iPhone 16 counters this with its exclusive iOS environment, which offers better app stability, longer software support, and a more cohesive ecosystem. While Google leads in AI-driven features and affordability, Apple provides a premium design, higher quality materials, and superior processing power through the A18 Bionic chip. Additionally, Apple's ecosystem integration remains a unique selling point compared to Google's more fragmented hardware approach. Target market in Malaysia. In Malaysia, the iPhone 16 targets urban and suburban customers who prioritize premium technology and a seamless ecosystem. Geographically, it appeals to residents of major cities like Kuala Lumpur, Penang, and Johor Bahru, where access to high-speed internet and disposable income levels are higher. Demographically, the primary audience includes young professionals, tech-savvy millennials, and affluent families aged 25 to 45 who value quality, innovation, and status. Psychographically, these customers are aspirational, brand-conscious, and prioritize connectivity, productivity, and premium experiences in their everyday lives. The iPhone 16 is widely available through multiple channels in Malaysia, ensuring convenience and accessibility. Customers can purchase the device at the iconic Apple Store at TRX in Kuala Lumpur, which provides a complete Apple experience. Authorized resellers such as Switch and Machines also offer the iPhone 16 across their outlets in major shopping malls nationwide. Online shoppers can purchase directly from the Apple Malaysia website, Switch Online, or popular e-commerce platforms like Lazada and Shopee, offering delivery options and promotional deals. For those who prefer in-person shopping, physical stores provide the advantage of hands-on experience and personalized assistance from trained staff. These stores often offer installment plans and trade-in options, making the iPhone 16 more accessible. On the other hand, online platforms cater to busy professionals and tech-savvy buyers who value the convenience of browsing, comparing, and purchasing from home. With a combination of online and physical store availability, the iPhone 16 ensures it meets the diverse preferences of Malaysian consumers. SWOT analysis for iPhone 16. Strengths. The iPhone 16 benefits from Apple's unparalleled brand reputation, synonymous with quality, innovation, and prestige. Its cutting-edge features, such as the A18 Bionic chip and AI-enhanced camera system, consistently place it at the forefront of technological advancements. Apple's seamless ecosystem integration offers unique connectivity across devices like Macs, iPads, and Apple Watches, delivering an unmatched user experience. Additionally, its industry-leading customer support, including AppleCare and extensive service networks, ensures reliable assistance and fosters long-term brand loyalty. Weaknesses. Despite its strengths, the iPhone 16's high price makes it inaccessible to many, limiting its reach in price-sensitive markets. Its limited customization options, compared to Android devices, may deter tech enthusiasts who prefer flexibility. The device's reliance on proprietary accessories, like lightning cables and AirPods, can increase overall ownership costs. Furthermore, Apple faces challenges in emerging segments such as foldable phones and mid-range devices, where competitors are more established. Opportunities. Apple can capitalize on Malaysia's growing disposable income and expanding 5G adoption to attract a broader audience. Trade-in and installment programs can make the iPhone 16 more affordable, appealing to price-conscious consumers. The brand is well-positioned to engage with younger demographics who value cutting-edge technology and digital connectivity. Additionally, the iPhone 16's eco-conscious features, like the use of recycled materials, resonate with environmentally aware consumers, further enhancing its appeal. Threats. Economic uncertainty in Malaysia poses risks to luxury purchases, like the iPhone 16, as consumers may prioritize essentials over premium devices. Intense competition from brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, and Google threatens Apple's market share. Cultural preferences for Android's customization and affordability may also hinder adoption. The prevalence of counterfeits and gray market devices can undermine sales and tarnish the brand's reputation. Lastly, market saturation in urban areas could limit growth, requiring Apple to explore new strategies for market expansion. Conclusion. In conclusion, the iPhone 16 is poised to capture the attention of Malaysia's tech-savvy and aspirational consumers with its cutting-edge features, seamless ecosystem integration, and premium brand appeal. To maximize its success, Apple should focus on expanding affordability through trade-in programs, installment plans, and strategic pricing to reach a broader audience. Strengthening its presence in physical stores and online platforms, alongside targeted marketing campaigns highlighting its eco-conscious features and 5G capabilities, can further enhance its appeal. By addressing challenges like intense competition and price sensitivity, the iPhone 16 has the potential to solidify its position as the top choice for premium smartphones in Malaysia. That's all from our group. Thank you for listening.